Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing another Gypsy Housewife life. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that I eat in a day. And I'm also going to be doing some cooking and cleaning. But first off, we're going to start with some coffee. I'm drinking some pumpkin spice coffee, and I always drink my coffee black. I would like to say really quick that I don't eat the same things every day, obviously. Every day is different for me, but this was just what happened today, okay? So for breakfast, I'm going to have a smoothie, and I'm going to be using my bullet. So in today's smoothie, I'm going to be using this Detox Rocks. This is from Walmart, and it's Great Value brand, so it's Walmart brand, and it's delicious and affordable. It's a fruit and vegetable smoothie mix. It's frozen fruit, and this one comes with pineapple, banana, cranberry, kale, and lemon, but they also have two other kinds, and my favorite is the green one. I can't remember what it's called, but it has avocado in it, and it's delicious. So inside the pack is 3 pouches of the frozen fruit, and I don't use the entire pouch. I just use half of it or a little bit of it most of the time. That way I can make more smoothies and make it last longer. So now I'm just adding a whole banana. And then I'm going to show you here how much I add of the fruit. Now I'm going to be putting in some of this Greek yogurt. It's from Greek Gods brand, and this is the honey one, and this is the best yogurt in the world, and I'm putting like 3 heaping teaspoons because I love it so much. Now I'm going to put a little handful of ice and a little bit of water. And now I'm going to be adding my protein powder. So this one is total soy, and you guys asked me why I use soy because I'm lactose intolerant, and this is the only protein powder that doesn't bother my stomach. It's vanilla and it's delicious and it's filled with vitamins, so that's what I like to use. Now I'm just waiting for my smoothie to finish so I can drink it up. And it's done. And here it is, taking my little lid off, and then I'm going to show y'all me taking a little drink. Delicious. So obviously some time has passed and I got hungry again, girl. So I'm going to make me a little lunch. I'm making me some fried eggs right now. And I know y'all are going to ask me, why do you put the eggshells back in the carton? It's just a habit. I do it all the time. Don't know why I do it. I just do it. So there's your answer. I'm just adding a little salt and pepper. And this is my little egg. And oh my God, yes, I'm using a fork in the frying pan. I know I shouldn't, but another bad habit, y'all. So I'm using this Arnold brand 12 grain bread and popping that in the toaster. This is my favoriteest bread ever. Y'all should try it because it's so good. I'm going to be putting some turkey breast on my sandwich with some mayonnaise, and don't knock it till you try it, but I'm going to be spreading some cranberry up on this sandwich. I tried it the other day and it was delicious, so I wanted to do it again. So here I am spreading my mayonnaise on the toast. And then I'm going to be spreading the cranberries on. And I know y'all are going to think it's so gross, but I promise you it wasn't that bad at all. I mean, think about it. You have cranberry with turkey on Thanksgiving, right? Duh. It's pretty good, I can't lie. So I just popped my egg right on top of the turkey, and then I'm going to cut my sandwich in half. And look at my sandwich. You cannot tell me that sandwich does not look good, girl. And now I figured I would add some clips in of me eating this glorious sandwich. I mean, why not, right? In the middle of eating this sandwich, I remembered that this sandwich was missing something. It was missing a bag of chips. Duh, you can't eat a sandwich without a bag of chips. So I grabbed me a bag of Cheetos. Now I'm just eating my little sandwich, and I'm checking my messages from my 6-year-old niece because we've been FaceTiming and texting and sending voice messages to each other. Look at me looking down at this sandwich. I thought to myself, you know what would make this sandwich better? If I put a Cheeto on it. And you know what? I was right. I love eating a sandwich and putting chips on it because I love that little crunch you get when you bite into it. Oh, it's so good. So now I'm just emptying out my dishwasher and I'm going to clean up my mess from cooking my little sandwich. And I know a lot of you are wondering why I put my pans in the oven. Well, just so you know, I use the oven as a storage. Duh, like cabinet space, you put your frying pans and stuff in the oven. I know, it's a genius idea. Just kidding. So now it's time to have me a little snack, and I'm gonna take this string cheese and put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds, and then I realized that wasn't long enough, so I did it for 5 more seconds. I love room temperature cheese, but putting a cold string cheese in the microwave makes it amazing. It's kind of soft and a little warm, and it just strings so much better. And I'm also gonna be having some blue diamond almonds with my string cheese. And if you're wondering who I'm talking to, I'm actually FaceTiming with my niece, okay? And we're playing a guessing game on FaceTime. Okay, so now that my husband is home, it is time to start cooking, and I'm gonna cook up this fancy hamburger meat right here in a frying pan, y'all. So tonight I am making what Alan calls walking tacos, I think. Pretty much you just make like taco meat and you put it over top of Doritos and stuff, so it's kind of like a Dorito nacho, I guess you would say. So I'm just adding some onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper, and then I'm going to be using a taco seasoning pack. Normally I would have this with tomatoes and lettuce, but I didn't have any, so we're just going to use like cheese and sour cream and all that fun stuff. So now I'm just making a little plate here, putting my chips down and the meat on top and some cheese and lime juice and Ortego taco sauce. And this is the finished product, and I'm going to eat it now. But I want y'all to watch my husband. He is literally going through this bag of Doritos and he's picking out particular chips. Like, he's being real specific about these chips. And I'm not even paying attention to this because I'm eating, but I noticed it while I was editing and I'm like, oh my God, Alan, what are you doing? So let me tell you something. I'm a really, really fast eater. By the time he's done making his plate, you will see that I am done with my entire plate. That's how it always is. Like, before he can even take his first bite, I've done finished my food. So after an hour of picking out his chips, here's Alan's plate and here's mine. I told you I would be finished. The bad part about me finishing before him is I usually want some of his food after, because I'm like, well, I'm done with mine and yours looks really good, so I think I'm gonna have a bite. His looks really good too though, right, with the sour cream? And now it's time to give my cookie girl some treats. And I think she's having some tuna temptations, just in case you was wondering what she was snacking on today. So now it's time to start picking up the mess a little bit. Alan is still eating, so I'll finish it up in a little while. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys this new cleaner that I'm using on my cabinets. It's from a brand called Smartly, and it's from Target. It's an all-purpose cleaner, and it smells like roses, and it smells amazing. It's a huge bottle, like 32 ounces, and it was only $1.59. You guys should try it, and it comes in other scents too. See what I tell y'all, I done finished my food, but I looked over at his and it looked so good, so I had to go steal me some, and his was so much better than mine. It was delicious. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you'll always be notified when I upload a new video. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Oh, and by the way, those of you asking about my cats, I have 2 of them and they are both ragdolls. This one is Cookie and the other one is Kiki, and I love them so much. They're my babies.